We want to graph this inequality. And so when we graph an inequality, first thing we're going to do is we're just graphing a line. So it's exactly what we've been doing for the last couple of sections. I'm going to rewrite this into y equals mx plus b form. So I'm going to actually write this way. I added 3y to both sides. And then because if you're like me, it drives you nuts when it's backwards, I'm going to flip-flop it. And you might not have my idiosyncrasies there. So I've got this written, and you'll notice that still, like before, I'm eating the y, I'm eating the y. Make sure, obviously, if you are flipping it like I'm doing, that you don't inadvertently flip the inequality. When would you flip the inequality? Obviously, if you divide or multiply by a negative number, but I didn't. So now I'm going to graph this line. So this starts at 0, right? Because there's no plus 0. And I'm going to go up 1 over 3. Up 1 over 3. Now, this is a less than or equal. It is not an or equal, so this is a dotted line, okay? So if this was this, I would do a solid line, but this doesn't include the line because it's not or equals. Then I have to decide which side this is going to be on. So I pick any point. Don't pick a point on the line, okay? Very clear. Do not pick a point on the line. So I'm going to use the point, let's see here, I could use probably 0.11, but let's see here. I'm going to come down here somewhere. I'm going to use point -1, -1. No, yeah. Okay. I'm trying to look at where I'm going. This is where I get for getting messy. I'm going to use the point 1, -1. So I'm down here somewhere. And it doesn't matter what point you use, just again, you cannot be on the line. So normally I use 0, 0. I can't because 0, 0 is on the line. So I'm going to go up and I always put it back in the original. Just, anything I can do to avoid any extra mistakes. So -1, although it'd already be screwed up. Actually, it's +1, -3, -1, 0. So this 1 minus -2 is less than 0. That is true, right? -2 is smaller. So then I'm going to kind of erase all this stuff I got going on down here. That's true. So then this is the true side. It gets shaded in. Okay, if I would have got the false, I would have just shaded the other side. So hopefully this helps you go through this. This is just all about getting that line graphed and then testing a point to see which side it should be on.